match type, that simply means keyword that matches the searches and your ad, because it would be a bridge from where your visitor come to your advertisement as well as the landing page. And as we talked, that keyword planner, Google keyword planner, can be used for PPC and SEO. So this is all about Google keyword planner, how we can use it, what is its benefit and all that. So what are the four reasons that we should go for Google keyword planner? It is a free tool. You don't have to pay anything. You can use it freely for SEO or for PPC ad. Dual function, that means you can use it for ad, as I say, and for SEO, like using the data of number of search volume and competition level, you can use for SEO as well. Information about competitors, I show you that whatever keyword you are entering, it also shows the relevant brand. Okay, so quickly and easily using keyword planner, you can just use it, that data easily, and run your campaign. So keyword match type is just simple like that. You want your ad to appear on search engine, and only when your best customer search for a card. Okay, so what you don't want, if you are running a click campaign, your conversion campaign, then you don't want people to just see you. It is not beneficial to you. The only benefit you will get when someone converted, and how someone converted, if they are willing to pay, if they are willing to buy your service. Like if I'm surfing the internet just for time pass, then definitely I'm not interested in anything. I'm just surfing. So what would be the chance that person like me will buy? Very low. But when someone's go on a Google search, they are looking for a particular service, particular product, then definitely the chances that they will buy would be higher. Okay. So this is how you have to use these keyword in a certain way that it will match your business requirement. And that's why we use negative keyword as well, to avoid the people who are just coming there to see your ad. And who knows, for time pass, I just will click on the ad as well. For a sponsor ad, like if I come there and I just got an idea that there's a platform like automation platform, and I have no idea about how it performs. I'm just exploring email automation tool, what it is, because I heard somewhere. Okay, so what will I do? I will just click here. I will here. For this particular click, MailChimp has to pay an amount, and here I'm not buying the service. I'm just exploring. Okay, but this keyword is well written because it's just specific. But let's suppose again ad is visible to me. Okay, as compared to the previous search, there's three or four ads, and when I search for a face, only two, because the previous two ad which are there, Zoho, like Send and Blue Brave and Web Engage, just remove that phases from their keyword. They don't use that phase. How our email automation tool works. They just specifically go for email automation tools because they understand if someone is looking for how it works, then definitely there is a chance that they will not buy. Okay. So this is how you can go for keyword match type, and you use keyword in a certain way that gives you benefit from your ads. What is the significance of match type? You can avoid keywords that are similar but unrelated to your ads. We see that example. For email automation tool, so many ads were coming, and when I use how automation email automation tool works, only two ads, because they are a big player, and they have a huge budget because they are already market leaders on a particular segment. So, so avoid keyword that are similar but unrelated to your ad. How email automation tool works, that is similar but unrelated to my ad. To keep your budget from running out, remove all irrelevant matches. If I if send in rules showing ad on how email automation tool work, so definitely out of curiosity I will click on that, and they will have to pay the bid amount for that particular click. Will I buy? No, the chances is very lower. So that's how you can remove irrelevant matches and try to just make sure that your ad will be shown on relevant matches. So to increase conversion rate, use match type. Definitely, if you use a relevant match type, then only people who are willing to use your service will come to your ad and click on that.